Crash Course on Guadeloupe. Geolocation: Guadeloupe is an archipelago located in the Caribbean Sea. It is an overseas region of France and consists of several islands, including Basse-Terre and Grande-Terre. Capital: the capital city of Guadeloupe is Basse-Terre. Population: as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the population of Guadeloupe was approximately 400,000 people. Economy: Guadeloupe's economy is diverse, with key sectors including agriculture, especially sugarcane and bananas, tourism, and services. Being an overseas region of France, it benefits from economic ties with the European Union. Education: the education system in Guadeloupe follows the French model, with primary, secondary, and tertiary institutions. The island has several universities and educational institutions. Brief history: Guadeloupe's history is intertwined with European colonization, primarily by the French. It played a significant role in the transatlantic slave trade and saw struggles for independence and rights for its population. Culture: Guadeloupe's culture is a blend of African, French, and Caribbean influences. It is expressed through music, dance, such as guoka and zouk, traditional crafts, and culinary traditions. Politics: as an overseas region of France, Guadeloupe is an integral part of the French Republic. It has elected representatives in the French Parliament and local government structures. Interesting stories/examples: one interesting aspect of Guadeloupe's history is its connection to the abolitionist movement. The island was home to figures like Victor Schulcher, who played a key role in the abolition of slavery in French territories. Top 12 attractions of Guadeloupe. 1. La Soufriere: explore the majestic volcano of La Soufriere, located on Basse-Terre Island. Hike to the summit for breathtaking views and witness the active volcanic activity. 2. Les Santes: visit the picturesque Les Santes archipelago, known for its crystal clear waters, beautiful beaches, and charming villages. 3. Déchet: discover the quaint village of Déchet, famous for its botanical gardens, stunning coastline, and laid-back atmosphere. 4. Pointe-à-Pitre: explore the vibrant city of Pointe-à-Pitre, Guadeloupe's largest city. Experience its bustling markets, historic sites, and cultural events. 5. Memorial Octe: learn about the history and legacy of slavery at the Memorial Octe, a museum and cultural center dedicated to promoting dialogue and remembrance. 6. Plage de Grand Anse: relax on the beautiful shores of Grand Anse Beach, known for its golden sands and turquoise waters. 7. Gosier Island: take a boat trip to Gosier Island, a paradise for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts, with its vibrant coral reefs and marine life. 8. Saint-François: visit Saint-François, a popular resort town offering stunning beaches, a golf course, and a marina. Don't miss the picturesque Pointe des Châteaux nearby. 9. Port d'Enfer: explore the dramatic cliffs and natural rock formations at Port d'Enfer, a scenic spot on the east coast of Basse-Terre Island. 10. La Cascade aux Écrevisses: enjoy a refreshing dip in the natural pools of La Cascade aux Écrevisses, a beautiful waterfall surrounded by lush greenery. 11. Marie-Galante: take a day trip to Marie-Galante, an island known for its sugarcane fields, rum distilleries, and pristine beaches. 12. Îlet du Gosier: visit Îlet du Gosier, a small island near Pointe-à-Pitre, where you can relax on sandy beaches and enjoy water sports. Summary: Guadeloupe, an archipelago in the Caribbean Sea, offers a blend of French and Caribbean influences, rich history, and natural beauty. From the breathtaking volcano of La Soufriere to the picturesque Les Santes, Guadeloupe's attractions invite exploration and appreciation of its diverse landscapes. The island's cultural heritage, reflected in music, dance, and cuisine, adds to its charm. As an overseas region of France, Guadeloupe combines the best of both worlds, offering a unique experience for visitors. Poem: in Guadeloupe's embrace, where cultures intertwine. A world of beauty and rhythm, where nature's wonders shine. From La Soufrière's peak to Les Saintes-Serene shores. Let's embark on a journey that the heart adores. Basse-Terre, the capital, with its history and grace. Where stories of resilience echo through time and space. Pointe-à-Pitre's vibrant streets, a bustling delight. Unveiling the island's spirit, vibrant and bright. La Cascade aux Écrevisses, a waterfall's embrace. Where nature's splendor enchants with tranquil grace. Déchet and its gardens, a botanical delight. Where colors bloom and dreams take flight. Gosier Island's waters, a haven for the sea. With coral reefs and marine life, a sight to be free. Marie-Galant's sugarcane fields, a rum-soaked land. Where history and flavors entwine hand in hand. Memorial Octe, a testament to the past. Keeping memories alive, so they forever last. Saint François and its resort charms, a paradise found. With golden beaches and serenity all around. Guadeloupe, a jewel in the Caribbean. See? Where French and Caribbean cultures blend in harmony. From volcanoes to waterfalls, beaches so pristine. Guadeloupe's beauty is a sight to be seen. So come, explore the archipelago's embrace. Discover its wonders, soak in its grace. A place where history and nature collide. Guadeloupe's allure, forever by your side. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our InHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.